Walibi Holland, previously called Flevohof, Walibi Flevo, Six Flags Holland and Walibi World, is a theme park in Biddinghuizen, Netherlands. The park was opened in 1971 as Flevohof. It was an educational theme park themed after agriculture and farming. Having struggled to compete with more modern family attractions, Flevohof went bankrupt in 1993, and was subsequently purchased by the Walibi Group that autumn, who redeveloped the site as an amusement park. After a major winter-long program of reconstruction, the park reopened as Walibi Flevo on May 7, 1994, featuring the world's first Vekoma suspended looping coaster, SLC, El Condor. The park also adopted the Walibi mascot of its sister park, Walibi Waver in Belgium, created in 1975 by Eddy Meus, a Belgian businessman. The Walibi parks, including Belweerde in Belgium, were purchased by Premier Parks Incorporated in 1998, who subsequently overhauled the Flevo Park, removing the Walibi branding and building 30 new attractions as part of its transformation into Six Flags Holland in 2000. Six Flags' nominal expansion into Europe saw a similar refurbishment of the Belgian Walibi theme park, which was renamed to Six Flags Belgium. Both parks benefiting from the group's rights to use Warner Brothers characters within them, leading to the creation of a Looney Tunes themed area and a powered launch coaster themed around popular comic figure Superman, later changed to the Express. In 2004, Six Flags Holland and its sister parks were purchased by financiers Palomon Capital Partners, who grouped the attractions under the name Star Parks. The park reverted to Walibi branding in 2005, numerous attractions having been rebranded, as the sale of the parks also meant the loss of any references to Looney Tunes and DC Comics characters' rights.